What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can earn $4.20 per sign up. This is a new super easy simple trick that anyone can do. I'm going to explain everything you need to know here to get started with this. So what you need to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so exactly as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn $4.20 per sign up. This is a super easy method. I'm going to explain to you everything inside here in this video. What you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video, because if you skip out on any part then it won't work for you. So that is why it's super important to follow along here and watch the whole video there. Also, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $4.20 again and again per sign up. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first off, this is a site that I shared in the past, and what you need to do, as I said, is stick around here because it is not exactly what you probably are guessing here that we can earn money with here. So follow along with me. This is a new strategy here actually. So you can see that this is Vindale.com. Alright, this is a survey site. You can see here you get paid to take surveys online. So first I'm going to show you a little bit here. This is easy online surveys. Millions has been paid. They do pay out via PayPal also. So that is another biggie actually that I forgot to mention. We all like PayPal money, right? And this is Trustpilot. This is a recommendation. So they've been around for a long time and they are a legit company. All right. Now basically taking surveys, you know how it works. You're getting started here to answer some questions, and of course you get paid, you redeem your earnings by PayPal. But if I scroll down a little bit here, they do explain also what the surveys is all about. So it's a great way actually to earn more money with this site, but that is not what we are interested in. So basically what we are interested in, if you have a look here at ways to earn, look at this. We have paid studies, we have referral program, and that is exactly what we are going to focus on. But look at this. You can also earn money, of course, with your photos, reward codes, Vindale videos, reward mail. So a lot of ways actually. But this is actually the strategy that we are going to focus on today here, and we are interested in the referral program. So you can see here, if I go here, let's get back. There you go. So the referral program, look at this now. You get $5 for every friend referral. The more the merrier. For every friend you refer to Vindale, you get $5. Go ahead and share that link. Okay, so basically what you need to do here is sign up and refer your friends today. So you're going to sign up here, okay, fill in the details, and then you are ready to go. Basically now the next thing is you're wondering how are we going to get people to sign up there. All right, so this is where the secret trick comes in actually. So we are going to a site which is rapidworkers.com. okay, you can see here Rapid Workers. We all know this site. This is a site where you can earn money for doing micro tasks. Okay, you can see here 10 cents for voting a YouTube video, follow someone on Instagram, 12 cents. But this is not what we are going to do here. How I came up with the idea was that, let me just see, there you go, I'm logged in now, and if you see here, I found actually two Vindale sign up here. So look at this here, Vindale sign up, easy, payment fast. USA is of course the country that we want to focus on, and they pay 80 cents. All right, so now if I fire up the calculator here, you can see the strategy, $5, and if we take away the 80 cents, we have $4.20 in net profit here. Okay, and now you're probably saying, aha, let's have a look here at the details actually. So basically This is how it looks. You will earn 80 cents. The task takes less than 5 minutes to finish. Vindale sign up, payment fast, okay? Now you can see here you accept countries, and they do explain everything in detail here. You can have a look at the screenshot, and they ask probably, let's see here, if a print screen is asked, use these free sites. So to show the proof, of course. So this is exactly what you are going to do. You're going to set up actually a sign up exactly like this. And every time someone signs up there, you earn $4.20. Okay, now what you can do is expand on this. So how do we do that? Well, we go to other sites that has micro tasks. One site is microworkers.com. You can see here it is pretty similar and works similar. So you set up exactly this one here. So every time someone signs up, you pay them for 80 cents. Now you can go actually and bid more. Okay, so it might be more people that signs up there. So why not bid $1 or $1.50, for example? You're still in net profit without doing anything, okay? So this is a great way actually, so a super nice trick. And there is also Pico Workers, for example, that works pretty much the similar way also here. So they have a lot of micro tasks here. You can see here, form testing, email submit, 45 cents. And now that we have done this, what you can do is you can go to similar sites like Vindale, and you can set up a new gig, should I call it a gig here, or task, micro task actually. You can see that there is a lot of people here that apply here, so you can apply for anything more or less actually. So go and find similar sites and sign up more. The more you do this, the more you earn. This is a great way to earn money online actually. You can see here people are paying for YouTube watch, like, and so on there. And this is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to pay for people to sign up. You can do this with email submit, okay? You can do this with a lot of other things. Use your imagination, search around. That is exactly how I did. I went in here to Rapid Workers today, and then I saw Vindale sign up, and I got to remember that you're getting paid $5. So that is where it clicked, and I said, aha, so this is how it works, okay? Look at this, for example. You like a Facebook page, but I hope you get the idea, okay? So don't limit yourself and say now Vindale isn't worldwide, you can do this, and so on. There is other sites, there is other opportunities. Do your research, there is tons of them around, and you can do this again and again actually. There are no limits. Look at this, for example. Complete the survey and earn 20 cents. And they might pay out $1, for example, for the survey, okay? For example, survey time, they pay out $1. So you have 80 cents in profit. So this is a great strategy that you can work with a lot of different ways actually. And of course you expand it by signing up on more of these sites like Micro Workers, Pico Workers, and so on there. There are tons of these around that applies for this. So that is exactly how you can earn $4.20 per sign up. All right, but you can earn, of course, much more. If you expand on this, put in some work, it's a great way to get started to make money online with. All right, so as I said in the beginning, I do have my #1 recommendation if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online. It is right here below, so make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.